Wondering if you can connect your iPhone 17 Pro Max to an Ethernet cable and use wired internet? The answer is yes. Here's how simply you can do it. So all you'll need is a Type-C to Ethernet adapter, like this dock we have here that includes an Ethernet port. And as you can see here in the settings, our iPhone is currently connected to Wi-Fi. So let's insert the Type-C interface into our iPhone, and as soon as we do that, you'll see there's an Ethernet logo in the dynamic island, and the Ethernet option already pops up. Now grab an Ethernet cable and your router, plug one end into your router's LAN port, and the other end into the adapter. You should see these small LEDs light up, but there won't be any visual feedback on your iPhone saying it's connected, but it is. So to check that, let's turn off both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and try to browse something on YouTube. You can see we're streaming in 4K without any problem. So there you go. Hope you found this useful, and stay tuned for more.